Thick, full hair makes everyone feel more confident. Toppik Hair Building Fibers create the appearance of thicker, fuller hair instantly and have given confidence to millions of men and women all over the world. Made from premium natural keratin protein, Toppik is quick and easy to apply. The hair building fibers are virtually identical to human hair in texture and appearance and have a natural static charge that bonds and blends with even the thinnest hair. The result? Thicker, fuller, natural-looking hair you can see instantly. Toppik is available in 9 shades to match virtually any hair color and resists wind, rain, and perspiration. Toppik is even easier to apply with our innovative precision application tools. For smaller areas and the hairline, use the Hairline Optimizer and Spray Applicator for a more precise application. Finish with Fiber Hold Spray to maximize the bond between fibers and the hair strand for added hold and natural-looking shine. Over 96% of users would recommend Toppik to a friend. Over 93% of users say that Toppik makes them look younger and more attractive. Over 90% of users agree Toppik is completely natural looking. Look and feel your best with Toppik. Visit Toppik.com for more information and connect with us on social to share your Toppik story.
Toppik Hair Building Fibers are designed for those with fine, thin, or thinning hair. Made of the same keratin as your own hair, Toppik fibers blend undetectably with your existing hair, making it appear fuller and thicker. Toppik resists wind, rain, and perspiration, but removes easily with shampoo. Toppik fibers can be applied using the sifter or the spray applicator attachment. Before applying the spray applicator to the Toppik fibers, remove the sifter and screw on the spray applicator. The spray applicator's exclusive technology makes it great anytime you need additional control, like at the front hairline. Simply spray hair building fibers where you need them. Then, gently pat to disperse the fibers. Style hair as usual. To fill in areas around the hairline and create a natural look, use the Hairline Optimizer along with the spray applicator. You can see Toppik Hair Building Fibers are completely undetectable and look completely natural. For larger areas, simply apply using the no mess built-in sifter cap. Hold the bottle about 2 inches over the desired area and shake liberally to distribute the fibers. Gently pat to dispense the fibers.
But when I started using it, I realized that it's very natural. Toppik makes me feel really great about myself, really confident. I can wear my hair up, I can wear my hair down, and it just makes me feel really good.